Hi viewer, today I'm going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro. Let's have a look. It's new iPhone 12 Pro. First, remove its plastic cover. Plastic cover removed. Now it's the time to check what's in the box. Slowly I'm opening this box. The new iPhone 12 Pro with iOS 14. It's USB-C to Lightning cable and some documentation. Silver, graphite, gold, Pacific blue colors are available for iPhone 12 Pro. This is Pacific blue color. Ceramic shield front side and textured matte glass backside with stainless steel design. Lightning connector, built-in microphone and built-in stereo speaker. Volume up and down button and ring silent button. Side button or power button. For iPhone 12 Pro, display size 6.1 inch. It's Super Retina XDR display. Let's talk about camera. Pro 12 megapixel camera system, ultra wide, wide and telephoto cameras. 12 megapixel front camera. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.